Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that every WordPress user faces: scheduling posts. Have you ever forgotten to publish a post on time? Well, it happens to the best of us. But fear not, in this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to schedule posts in WordPress using 3 different methods. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll be able to get your posts scheduled in no time. Why schedule posts in WordPress? But before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why should you schedule posts in WordPress? Scheduling posts can save you time, help maintain a consistent flow of content, and keep your audience engaged. It's particularly crucial for news sites and bloggers who need to publish at regular intervals. Plus, it's a lifesaver if you're going on vacation or need a break from your site. Method 1. Using the WordPress block editor. Now let's get into the how. Scheduling posts using the WordPress block editor. Step 1. Create a new post or page in WordPress. Step 2. In the post editor, you'll notice that the timing is set to publish immediately. Step 3. Click Publish Immediately, and you can select a specific date and time for your post to go live. Step 4. Once you've set the date and time, click the Schedule button. Your post is now scheduled and will go live automatically on the selected date and time. Method 2. Scheduling posts using the WordPress Classic Editor. Step 1. Create a new post or page in WordPress. Step 2. In the post editor, look for the Publish panel on the right-hand side. Step 3. By default, it's set to publish immediately. Click Edit next to it. Step 4. Set the date and time for your scheduled post. Then click OK and schedule. Your post is now scheduled. Now that you know how to schedule posts, let's explore some tips and tricks to get the most out of this feature. SchedulePress is a WordPress plugin that simplifies the entire scheduling process. Here's how it can benefit your editorial management. With SchedulePress, you get an intuitive calendar view, making it easy to plan and visualize your content schedule. It's like having a clear roadmap for your content. The drag and drop interface lets you effortlessly reschedule posts, ensuring flexibility in your content plan. Plus, SchedulePress automates publication so your content goes live even when you're away. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a team, SchedulePress can be a game changer for your editorial management, making content planning and scheduling a breeze. And there you have it. Now you know how to schedule your posts on WordPress. It's a game changer for bloggers and site owners, allowing you to keep your content fresh and your readers engaged. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!